If you're a science lover, you've probably wondered why sneezing feels like a mini explosion. Ready for the answer? Let's find out. When tiny things like dust or germs sneak into your nose, your body goes on high alert. Your nose hairs try to stop them, but sometimes those invaders slip through. That's when your brain jumps into action. It sends a signal, super fast, to your nose, mouth, and even your chest muscles. Suddenly, everything teams up for one big mission: launch those pesky particles out. And boom, achoo! That sneeze, it can shoot out air at over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. So next time you sneeze, remember, your body's just cleaning house. Just try to cover your mouth, okay? Nobody wants a surprise shower. Like, share, and subscribe. And comment with your next science question. We might just answer it.